है विराट कोहली इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, आइए लिए चलते
What we feel as cricketers, we're not saying something different to what we feel, and for us it's a matter of executing what we know best, regardless of who we are playing against. And I'm sure every team thinks like that. I'm sure all the other teams don't put more price on one game than the other, especially in a tournament like this where you just don't have one tough game, you have all tough games, right through to the finals. So in a tournament like this, you can't pick and choose, and in general, cricketers don't pick and choose. We prepare the same way, and we take the same mindset into every game that we play for India. And as I've said before, you need to be 100% motivated playing for the country, regardless of who you're playing against. So yeah, the mindset does not change.
हिंदी सर हिंदी लास्ट में अच्छा नहीं इंग्लिश में पूछ ले विराट there are some news, maybe it is rumor. Can you clear the air that is there anything between you and Anil Kumble, coach of Indian cricket team, and think that everything is right and it's not going to affect team's performance in this match?
So there have been a lot of speculations and a lot of things being written by people without actually being a part of the change room, which is very strange. There are no problems whatsoever. As I mentioned before, if something is put in place as a process, I mean, I don't see why people are creating so many speculations about it. It's been followed last time as well, and I didn't see any issues being created last time. So, it's the same process. It's just happening after 12 months, and there are no issues whatsoever. The team is totally focused on the Champions Trophy, and I honestly don't even know. People who try to even tell me about this, I don't even want to know anything of this sort, because in a tournament that is in focus so much, and it is at such a big stage, a lot of people like to find a lot of rumors flying around, and especially before the start of the tournament. So yeah, they're doing their job. They're trying to create some nice livelihood, and that's all we can say. We're focused on our livelihood, which is on the field, and that's all that we're going to focus on. And unless, I would just say one thing, unless someone is part of something, I don't think they should sit at a distance and speculate and give judgments on what's happening. I'm not here to give judgments on anyone's life, and as cricketers we just focus on the Champions Trophy.
Virat, India's got one of the strongest bowling attacks in this tournament, 2 world-class spinners and 4 really good pace bowlers. Your thoughts on that, and then have you made a decision on, because picking at least 4 of them is going to be very difficult, have you made a decision on who's going to be playing?
I think that's been on my mind, in the last 5-6 days, the most out of anything else, who to play, because in both the games, all the guys have bowled beautifully, and the attack looks really balanced, but Hardik coming into the equation as the all-rounder, you can only play 4 bowlers apart from him. So who to choose according to the conditions? We've just arrived, so we haven't even gotten a chance to look at the pitch. It's the first time we're going to go out to the centre. We'll have a look at the wicket. There are all kinds of possibilities: 2 spinners, 2 fast bowlers, 3 fast bowlers, Hardik and a spinner. So we'll see what the wicket is like, and what we feel is going to match up well against the opposition. Accordingly, we'll pick our best bowling attack. But as you mentioned, everyone's bowling really well. The team looks really balanced. We're feeling really confident as a team, and that's showing in the way we're playing. Even in the warm-up games, the intensity was right up there, and that's something that was really nice to see for me as a captain. So it's a good headache to have. Until I see the wicket, we can't really comment on who's going to play and what the combination is going to be like. But yeah, everyone's fit and ready to go.
Virat, firstly, good wishes for the tournament. Secondly, you have been the biggest match winner in recent times against Pakistan, be it Adelaide, Dhaka or Kolkata. You won the match. How difficult is it? But in each of those 3 occasions, you were a player, you were not the captain. How difficult is it now that you are the captain and also you have to be the match winner, and then comes this controversy? How does Virat Kohli handle all this? Premier batsman, captain, current controversy.
How do I handle all this?
Yes.
You have to handle stuff when you're thinking about it. When I choose not to think about something, I don't have to handle it. I carry on with my normal life. It's it's on the field I'm captain. Off the field, when I have my own time, I choose to get away from things and relax as any normal human being would do. So I don't take so much pressure on me all the time. It's very important to switch off and switch on at important times. Talking about wanting to win games for the country, I've had that mindset since the beginning. So it hasn't changed anything just because I'm captain.